everyone, it's Alessandra, and today I'm going to make a chickpea flatbread, and it's also gluten-free, and of course it's vegan. Alright, so here I have 1.5 cups of garbanzo bean flour. Sometimes it's called chickpea flour in the store, and other times it's called fava bean flour, but you know, they're all the same thing. I'm going to take a little pink Himalayan salt, just to taste. You could really use any salt you'd like. Well, maybe not black salt, because that has a sulfate smell and it would be terrible. And we're just going to stir the lumps out of that. And we're going to take 2 cups of lukewarm water. Add just 1 cup at a time. Stir that in there. And then add the rest. And we're just stirring this till all of the lumps are out of the mixture. And then once all of the lumps are out, you're going to let this mixture sit for a minimum of 15 minutes. Alright, so I've had the mixture sitting here for about 20 minutes. And we're just going to ladle off the foam. Some people like to leave this mixture sitting for up to 2 hours so they can get all of the gas bubbles out. But this step's not even necessary, and I just don't want to wait. And we're just going to add a little bit of olive oil. About 2.5 tablespoons. And we're going to whisk that in. Alright, now over here we have an oven-safe pan. And we're just going to pour a little bit of oil at the bottom. I'm using canola oil because it's able to take a higher temperature than olive oil is. And I'm just going to pour this until it's about 1/2 inch thick on the bottom of the pan. I know 1/2 inch of canola oil sounds like a lot, but you don't want the chickpeas sticking. A lot of the time gluten-free flours do stick more. I don't know why, and I know other people will tell you that's not true, but it is. So, yeah, 1/2 inch. Alright, as you can see, our batter's bubbling a bit on the sides. We don't want it on too high of a flame, remember, because we are going to cook in the oven for a minimum of 20 minutes and a maximum of 40 minutes. The oven, of course, was preheated to a temperature of 450 degrees, and that's going to make this just nice and crispity crunchity. Alright, and that's our final product. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you did not like this video, go on about your day and ignore that hate button, please. Alright, this was Alessandra, and I hope you like this recipe.